good day. So our next program is to discuss the built-in function of a string. To start, so click File, New, Source File. Then we have the basic structure of the C++ program. So we have the comment, we have the include IOString for cin and cout. Then we have using namespace std, our main program, and the includes the return 0. Okay, to use the class, we have to include string. What is the use of the inclusion of string header? So we have to declare class string. Okay, so we have to use some of the built-in function of class. String example is prompt. What is your name? Next, you have to declare name as a string, so you have to declare line, .40, then next, comma, then total is equal to hello. Or you can do this by multiple lines. Okay, so meaning we declare an empty name, then we declare string with with 40, then dash, then next we declare total is equal to 0. Okay, then cout, we have to use the prompt. So take note that prompt is equal to what is your name. Next, we have to use the get line, then cin name. So what is the use of this is to inputs a name in one line. So this one is to display prompt value. Okay, next, total is equal to total plus name. So what is the use of this? We have to concatenate the value of total and the value of name. Okay, then next, cout line, then end L. So the end L stands for end of line. So it will print to the next line. Okay, the next, total, then another end line, end L. Display line and name. The next, cout your name is name.length then we have character long, and then so this will display the length. Next, cout line and then okay, so compile and run, save, function does string. Okay, so what is your name? Sample is John. Hello John, your name is 4 character long. Okay, so that's it. So we have to okay, so we have to include space, so to make it character Okay, so some modifications to make the output okay. Then we have execute, compile, run. So what is your name? Sample John. Then hello John, your name is 4 characters long. Okay, so that's it.